Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing well. I'm teacher Amoza here. Welcome to Ibn Khaldun Private School, the e-learning classes. Today we are going to learn a new topic, adverb. So children, you might be thinking, what are adverbs? Do you know what are adverbs? Okay. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. An adverb also answers a question where, when, and how often. Here are some examples in the next slide. So the examples of an adverb are, as I told you, that an adverb describes a verb, an adjective, and another adverb. So the first one is, he drove slowly. So the adverb slowly describes the verb drove. We all know what is a verb. A verb is an action word. Number two, he is very tall. So the adverb very describes the word tall. Tall is an adjective. And what are adjectives? An adjective is the word that describes the noun or a pronoun. Like he is very tall. How is he? Very tall. So here very is an adverb and tall is the adjective. Number three, another adverb. So slowly is an adverb and another adverb quite. It describes the word slowly. She moves quite slowly down the stairs. Students, there are 5 kinds of adverbs. So the first one is adverb of manner. So in this kind of an adverb, it tells us how something is done. Example, she moved slowly and spoke quietly. So, if you want to identify which kind of adverb it is, you need to ask a question to the sentence. How did she move and how did she speak? So, the adverbs are slowly and quietly. She moved slowly and spoke quietly. Number two, adverb of place. An adverb of place tells us about the location where the action of the verb is done. So, example is, she has lived on the island all her life. So, if you want to find out which adverb it is, you need to ask the sentence, the question, where did she live? So, the adverb is adverb of places on the island. The next one is adverb of frequency. Frequency means how often, like how many times. So an adverb of frequency describes how many times an action happened. Example, she takes the boat to the sea every day. So how many times she takes a boat to the sea? Every day. Now the next one is adverb of time. Now an adverb of time is just what you might expect it to be. It describes when and for how long or how many times an action happened. Example, she left early. So when did she leave? She left early. Now the next one is adverb of purpose. Okay, this can also, the meaning of purpose we can also say reason. What was the reason of the action? So an adverb of purpose tells the purpose or the reason of the action. It helps us to describe why the action was done. For example, she drives her boat slowly to avoid hitting the rocks. So why did she drive slowly? What was the reason of driving her boat slowly? In order to avoid the hitting towards the rock. She doesn't want to hit her boat to the rocks. So all the red colors in all the sentence, they are adverbs. Okay, now we are going to learn about adverbs of degree. So students, I want you all to open your learner book, page number 115. Okay, what are adverbs of degree? Adverb of degree tells us about the strength or the strong point of something that happens. We use adverb of degree before the adjective, adverb or a verb. So in this lesson on page number 115, we are going to learn about the adverbs of degree like very, extremely, a little, quite. So children, here I have some examples for you of an adverb of degree. So the first sentence is, they are extremely tired. So in this sentence, as I told you, an adverb of degree tells us about the strength or the strong point of something. So here, how tired he was? Extremely tired. So tired is a verb and extremely is an adverb. Number 2, tomorrow it will be a little warm. So in this sentence, warm is an adjective, a little is an adverb of degree. So tomorrow it will be a little warm. How much warm it will be? It will be a little warm. So here in this sentence, an adverb of degree, a little, is describing an adjective. And we have used the adverb of degree before the adjective warm. Number 3, we played very badly. Okay, so here badly is another adverb and very is describing another adverb. How they played? Very badly. Number 4, the film was quite interesting. So here interesting is an adjective and quite is an adverb of degree. How was the film? The film was quite interesting. So again here in this sentence, we have used an adverb of degree before the adjective. Remember, we use very before an adjective to make it strong, and we use extremely to make it very strong. That means if you use very, you mean strong. But when you extremely, like I was extremely hungry, that means you are telling I am very strongly hungry. Like when you are hungry and you go back from school, you will tell Mama, I am extremely hungry. So extremely means very hungry, and very hungry means just a normal strong, I am strongly hungry. Okay. The next is, we use quite before an adjective to make it weaker. I was quite interested in, some game or like that, not that much. Sometimes you're not that much interested in something, less interested. So we say quite. We use a little as an adverb of degree. It is more formal than a bit. A little. Means Mama, I want a little tea or a little coffee, like that. So, children, I hope you all understood. I have an home assignment for you, which is from your learner book 115. Write a weather report for a country you know, and you have to use all the adverbs of degree that I taught you. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, eat healthy, and wish you a lovely and a pleasant day. Allah bless you. Take care. Thank you.